All parties Hurriyat conference has condemned the statements by the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh while hiding the real situation of occupied Kashmir is diverting the attention from the harsh realities of the India's occupation of the territory. APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, criticized the Indian government's attempts to portray the volatile situation in the territory as normal through high-profile visits and the propagandas. At least 4 people were killed and 8 others were injured in a road accident in the Riyasi district. The accident took place in the early Tuesday when a tempo they were travelling in skidded off the road and rolled down into a deep gorge in the Riyasi district. Around 2 million people out of the 12 million population in occupied Kashmir are battling with the heroin addiction, a crisis largely attributed to India's brutal occupation of the territory. A report by the Al Jazeera has highlighted the devastating impact of the drug addiction on the youth in the occupied Kashmir, surpassing even the Indian Punjab. So-called Legislative Assembly of occupied Kashmir witnessed intense protests from both the Treasury benches and the Kashmir Valley-based opposition after the BJP MLA Sunil Sharma once again made disrespectful remarks about the martyrs of July 13, 1931 today. The hullabaloo erupted during a discussion on the budget when the National Conference MLA Shaukat Hussain Ganai criticized the BJP for its actions in the territory in the recent years and referenced 1947. Legal experts have taken a strong exception to the recent rhetoric made by the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Azad Kashmir, calling it legally baseless and a distortion of the historical fact and the ground realities. Rajnath Singh, in an interview, had claimed that the Kashmir dispute would end when Azad Kashmir would join India.